What is up, good people? Welcome and welcome back to another video. It's your girl Alex at Defined by Alex, and can I just say that TikTok is TikToking, okay? So part of the introduction of today's video, you guys see how I pretty much just like DIY'd my coffee station as you see behind me, okay? I will say that I went ahead and took advantage of the recent Prime Day on Amazon, and I just want to share with you guys some really good must-haves when it comes to, you know, sprucing up your kitchen, making yourself a coffee bar, okay? Now for my minimalists out there, I mean the girls who really don't need much, but you want some cute, affordable items for your kitchen, especially when it comes to making your favorite cup of coffee in the morning, before you go to work, before your workout, or whatever you do. Now, although I love to spend some money, on the flip side, I like to keep it as well. So I really got into this phase of sprucing up my home, reinventing myself, and with that, I have been spending some money, and I'm happy because I'm doing all these projects around my apartment, and I'm taking you along this journey. So let me dive into the Amazon finds that I recently purchased for my coffee bar that y'all see right behind me. Okay, so the first item, honestly, it is my favorite, okay? It is this rose gold coffee pot carousel. Y'all, I'm obsessed. And even though it's not all the way full, which means I clearly need to buy more coffee, but I just really like it. It definitely gives you a vibe. It helps you stay organized. This was honestly like around $22, so really inexpensive, and it was Prime, so it came in like 1 or 2 days. So I really love this. You can put, I believe, 36 pods in here, and I love it. They also have one in black too, and I believe in silver, but I'll leave the link below for you guys to check it out yourself if you wanted to go ahead and cop you one as well. Okay, so believe it or not, I got this Keurig from Amazon too. I actually got this on Prime Day. So this was originally, I believe, like $150 or $170, and y'all, I got it for like 74 bucks. So when I say I snatched it, it was snatched, okay? It was definitely snatched. I love it. Super simple. I actually had a Keurig before this one, but it was like a single serving one, and I'll insert a picture right here so y'all can see. Oh, sorry about the blur. I'll insert a picture somewhere in this section so y'all can see what I'm talking about as far as like comparing it. But I love it. It gives me everything that I need. I feel like now I can go a couple of days and make my coffee and make it super convenient, and that way I don't have to worry about the single serve where each time I have to fill it with water. I already have the watercraft right here, so it's good to go. So the next item here are the syrup pumps, and they are made specifically for like coffee syrup. So for this particular example, you have the Torini brand. I hope I'm saying that right. And so what I ended up doing was just buying a set of these. It came in a pair of 2, but let's just say if you like a lot more syrups, you can get like a set of 6 and things like that. So I just got these pumps. They actually came for like a bigger bottle, but as y'all can see, this one's not that big, but you can buy these syrups, as y'all know, like up to here. So what I ended up doing was like cutting the plastic. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I actually cut like this plastic piece just so it can fit for this bottle, and it's perfect. So I really like these. Makes it super easy to use and just add to my coffee. And then for my syrup flavors, I got white chocolate and vanilla. So I actually recently discovered these. These are like these little clear acrylic shelves that you can put anywhere if you want to like pretty much elevate something. For me in particular, I have it for my syrup bottles, but I got a set of these. I think I got like 6, and they came in like different sizes. So there's one that's bigger than this one. There's some that's smaller. I think this was super cute to have just to put like my syrups and things like that. Make it all cute and organized and make it look like an actual coffee station. You know what I'm saying? So that was the vision behind these. And then lastly is this new guy here. So I will say I jumped on the TikTok bandwagon. I've seen it on YouTube a couple of times as well, but it's this frother. So let me just go ahead and pull it out of the little station here. So it's a frother for like your milk if you want to make like a really cool espresso or a latte. So this one is just operated by the top button here. Okay, and that's it. And then in the back you just put 2 AA batteries, and then when you're all done, you can just sit it back in this little station, park it right there, and now you have a frother. So like I said, if you want to make your really good lattes, you know, whip it up, okay, I should say in the morning, then I highly recommend this. And this was about $7, $6 or $7. There's a few of them out there, but I'll be sure that you guys have everything you need in the description box below. So yeah, y'all, this is pretty much it. So this was my first project, and I'm pretty excited about it. I'm not sure sure if I'll add something else right now, but for the most part, I like it. It gives me exactly what I need. I'll be adding some more coffee pods, and then maybe like if I do add another syrup, I have room to fit one right here and all that good stuff. But yeah, this is the new minimal slash DIY coffee bar, and everything that I got that I showed y'all was from Amazon. If there's one thing that gives me a lot of joy, is that I can improve my space while I get the bang from my buck. Okay, so like I said, I'm currently on this home improvement journey, but I am still, honey, a bougie budgetnista when it comes to what can I find that can make me feel like I have cute items, but also, you know, keep my coins. Okay, because I am all about the balance. I do believe that there are things that you may want to spend the extra money on. Okay, splurge, hashtag, or treat yourself, but at the same time, when there's things in your means and it's cute, then I think you should buy it too. Okay, so that's it for today's video, my friends, on pretty much my DIY coffee bar. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video, if you like this style of content. I really look forward to making more, and also bringing you along on my home improvement journey and my different projects I do around my house. Also, if you're feeling the items that I just purchased, and I'll be leaving everything in the description box so you can grab it yourself. Again, I got it all from Amazon, and we all know that when it comes to Amazon, you gotta hide your wallet. Okay, so don't blame me if you go over your budget. However, there are some things I feel like you definitely need, especially this rose gold carousel. If anything, I'll sell that for sure because I just love it. It's super cute, it's a vibe, and I think you should get you one. So thank y'all so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are liking the vibe. Okay, as always, don't forget to drink your water, mind your business, and always choose yourself first. And I'll be back in my next video. Bye, y'all.